these are all materials and tools we are going to need for our cake, and it looks a lot, but it's not that many things actually. So let's start with our cake. I have my mud cake here. How much I'm going to need, I don't know yet. I will weight it, measure it, and I'll let you know how much cake you need. I also have my ganache. It's a little bit hard, this right now. I have to heat it up again. And for all the materials, we also have our chocolate. I will melt it just to give the head some more stable structure. We will melt it and give a thin layer actually of chocolate on the head. And I also have my fondant over here. I don't know exactly how much we are going to need. Again, I'm gonna let you know. And I have my modeling paste over here. We are going to use our modeling paste. You can also use modeling chocolate for our head, for our face actually, and for the ears, and for the hands, and for the feet. This paste gives you enough time so you can do all the details. I'm going to show you how to use it later. I also have just a small piece of pastillage for our eyes. And I have here one bowl that I'm going to fill it up with hot water. And I have my knives over here for cutting. I have my bowl for off guards from cutting. We're going to use the off guards for hands, for the legs and for the arms, and just make it a paste out of it and shape it to the right shape. And then I have some pallets, knives, and some scrapers over here. I have one cutter. Maybe I will use this for the eyes. And I have my needle here for air bubbles, for the fondant, and some bottle with water. I have some colors. You can use gel colors for the fondant or powdered colors. But for the face, for our modeling chocolate or for our sculpting paste, you are going to need some colors that are oil soluble. So I have it over here. I have some rollers and some tools for molding, for making shapes, some brushes and some Klinc foil. I will show you later why we need that. So I think this is all. If I forgot anything, I will write it down in a section where you will have all the tools and materials. And now we can get started.